Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you a streaming gaming PC build. Basically gaming, and you can do a little bit of streaming like 720p 60 fps streaming from the GPU NVNEC new encoder. So for the peripherals, I've chosen Intel i5-10 Gen CPU, and for the motherboard I have gone with H4GB H4110 motherboard. Basically I didn't go for the Ryzen. The reason is the Ryzen 5 3600 costs in present moment 20,000 rupees, and a B550 motherboard cost 10,000 rupees, 20,000 and 10,000, 30,000 for AMD option. But with the Intel option you can have this for 20,000 rupees, and it has a similar performance in games and about 90% performance in multi-threaded applications like your video editing. For the RAM I have gone with Thermaltake 16 gigs of RAM. It's a two sticks of 8 GB. For the SSD to boot up your Windows faster and load your games faster, I've gone with a 480 GB ADATA SSD. For your mass storage, 1 TB hard disks. And here, that 10,000 rupees you save, you go with the 2060 Super instead of a 1660 Ti. And this 2060 Super has a at least 15 to 20% more performance than a 1660 Ti. So that 10,000 we'll put here. For the SMPS, I've gone with a Gigabyte 550 watt bronze SMPS. It is better than Corsair VS series. And for the case, I've chosen Antec VSK10. This is a good case. It comes with one pre-installed rear fan, and you need two more fans. Here, I'll show you where to buy those two fans, and we have to buy monitor and mouse also. So go to Amazon. Here, go with two more Antec Prism fans. These are basically good fans, pulse width model PMW fans. Buy these two for around 2,000 rupees. And for the monitor I have gone with MSI Optics G241 24-inch IPS monitor, 144 Hz refresh rate, as your RTX 2060 Super can easily push above these frames in medium settings in all AAA titles. For the gaming keyboard and mouse combo, I have chosen this Redgear G20 gaming keyboard and mouse combo. It is a good keyboard and mouse combo. I basically personally use it. Here you can see. And for your mouse pad, actually don't buy cheap mouse pads like small mouse pads. Go for double XL mouse pads. It will cover your whole desk, actually at least 80% of it, and you have more space to move your mouse for gaming. Okay, so this is it. It will total cost you around here 75,000 and here 20,000, so 95,000 rupees. So basically 1 lakh rupees, and it is a good PC build. Don't fall for AMD. Don't go for AMD right now. It will cost you more, and you will gain about 3 to 4 FPS in titles. That doesn't worth it. Okay. Hope you like this video. See you guys next time. I will again come with a budget PC build around 50 to 60,000 rupees. Actually, you can't go below that. Okay, see you guys next time.